you very much, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, an in situ project's plan to use only brackish water at a 2-to-1 ratio and no surface water isn't working out well. They have struggled with steam shortages since their start and are now planning to make an application to draw 17,000 cubic metres from the Clearwater River just to keep phase 1 of their facilities running. To the Minister of the Environment, what kind of approval guidelines are in place when a project can get this far in but be that far out on its water usage? How can a project get this far off base on their water use?
The Honourable Minister.
Well, Mr. Speaker, there are two approval authorities associated with the development of in situ. One is the ERCB, which is responsible for a number of the operational side of things, and one is Alberta Environment, which is responsible for water. We have a policy in place, a policy that we hold very strictly, and that is that there needs to be a total commitment to brackish water, to saline water, before surface water would even be considered for a project.
The honourable member.
Well, back to the same minister. Given that the volume of water needed and used is key in oil and gas development, what is the government's break point where it says no more water, no more surface water? Where does that point come?
The Honourable Minister.
Mr. Speaker, that point comes in conjunction with our in-stream flow needs assessment that is in place and has further development underway, whereby we have in place now, as you know, Mr. Speaker, a series of red, yellow, and green stages of water flow. That is phase 1. Phase 2 will further define and further restrict the ability for projects to withdraw water, and projects like this, should they be using fresh water, would have to have off-stream storage.
The honourable member.
Thank you. Back to the same minister. Given that an ERCB directive, requirements for water measurement, reporting and use for thermal in situ oil sands schemes finished its public consultation phase a year ago, why has it not been approved?
Honourable Minister.
Well, Mr. Speaker, I would suggest she ask the Minister of Energy, who's responsible for the ERCB.